Hello all, good afternoon and welcome to DIY Skins series with Dr. Gauri. And today I'm making a face mask with the help of sweet potato and all kitchen ingredients which are available in any pantry. So let me just show you what all I have taken. This is a sweet potato. So what I have done, I have mashed it and kept aside. This is masoor dal. I guess every kitchen will have masoor dal. So just grind it and make a fine powder of it. Then this is rice flour. Similarly, either you buy it directly from the market, supermarket, or you can just take it in a mixer grinder and grind it to fine powder. This is Multani Mitti. So I'm showing you three variants of this face mask. So Multani Mitti will be using for people who have like oily and acne prone skin. Okay. Then almond oil, vegetable glycerine, and here is honey, nutmeg powder, and this is ambe haldi. Okay, or if you don't have ambe haldi powder, you can take normal turmeric powder. And to activate this mask, either you take coconut water, this is coconut water, and or you can take rose water. Okay, either of it you can take and activate the mask. So let me just first show you how to make a mask for anti-aging skin. Okay, for which I'm taking a tablespoon of sweet potato, mashed sweet potato, in which we will add vegetable glycerine, another half a spoonful. Okay, just add it. Then I will add in this masoor dal powder, about half a teaspoon, and activate it using coconut water. Okay, so coconut water you add little amount first, and then you can if you feel it is not blended well, you can add more. Okay, so see here. So make it a smooth texture just with the help of a spatula or a spoon. You can blend it together. Okay, see here, it is nicely blended. Just keep it aside for few minutes and then apply it on the face. Okay, let it get activated and then we apply it on the face. So this is one of the face masks which I have shown you. This is for anti-aging skin. Let me repeat again. I have added in this sweet potato, a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon, then in which I have added vegetable glycerine, half a teaspoon, and masoor dal powder, about half a teaspoon, and I have activated it using coconut water. Okay, so this is one of the face masks. Now I am showing you another face mask which is good for people who have acne prone skin and who have blemishes on their face. Okay, for which again I'll be needing half a spoon of sweet potato mashed. So take it in a small plate, add to it Multani Mitti powder. So I am adding about 1 spoon of Multani Mitti powder, and to which I will add half a spoon of honey. Okay, then a pinch of nutmeg powder and a pinch of ambe haldi powder. Okay, and we will activate it with rose water or rose hydrosol. First, as I told you earlier, add very little amount first. If you need, you can anyways add it later. Okay, so sweet potatoes are rich in nutrients. Okay, they are it has basically vitamins which are A, C and E, and it also has potassium and folate in it, so it's extremely good. So I'll need little bit of rose water. This you will add like depending on the texture you need. Okay, rose water. Again, activate it and leave it aside. Once or twice a week you can use this regime of face mask. Okay, so this is a second face mask, which is basically for people who have acne prone skin. So what I have taken in this is half a teaspoon of sweet potato mashed. Then in that I have added multani mitti powder, half a teaspoon of it. Then honey, half a teaspoon, and a pinch of nutmeg powder and ambe haldi powder. If you don't have ambe haldi, you can use at your home regular haldi powder, and activate it with the help of rose hydrosol or rose water. Again, any mask when you make, you should keep it aside for few minutes for it to activate, and then you can apply it on your face. Okay, so this is a second mask. I'll show you the third mask, which will be a deep cleansing mask. Okay, so for which I'm taking a tablespoon of sweet potato, to which I will add almond oil, around 12 drops. Okay, rice powder, around half a spoon, and I will add in this rose water. Okay, they are very gentle, they will not cause any harm reaction. So just, but always before you apply anything on your face, do a patch test. Either you apply it here on the wrist or behind your ear, and see whether you have any irritation or something. Okay, if there is no irritation, you are most welcome to apply it on the face. So I'm adding more rose water. Okay, so show hair mask for dry hair. Surely, Dina, I'll definitely show in upcoming series. Okay, so are all the three hair masks, face masks, because of Dina I'm confused now with hair mask. So all the three face masks are done. So let me just apply and show you the texture of it. Okay, take a small amount, and with the help of a spatula you just spread it on the face. I'm just showing you on the hand. Okay, so this is our first mask. Lovely texture. It is very cooling also. When you apply, you feel cool. Then this is our second one, which is for acne prone skin or for people who have blemishes. It will help for detanning also, and for even pigmentation if you have. Okay, so with the help of a brush or with a spatula, just apply it. For any mask, you leave for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can wash it off with your normal water, tap water. And this is the third one, a deep cleansing one. So see here. If you feel you need more rose water, you can add if it is dry. Okay, but this is pretty good, and it will stay also on the face. Okay, so what happens later, once it dries, you can wet your fingers in water and gently massage it. Okay, after massaging it, you can just wipe it off and then apply a toner. After any skincare regime, like whether it is a same scrub or a mask, you should always, after washing the face, apply a toner which keeps your skin prepared for your next regime, which is either a cream or a serum. Okay, some remedies for dark circles, dark knees, elbows, please. Okay, sure Snail, I will definitely share, but sweet potato is again a good remedy, so which I had shown for blemishes, right? The same thing. Let me repeat the proportion again. So you take 1 tablespoon of sweet potato mash, in which you add pinch of nutmeg powder, pinch of ambe haldi powder, then multani mitti tablespoon, and honey, like a teaspoon of honey, and you can activate either with coconut water or with the help of rose water, and mix it and apply it on dark underarms or dark elbows. This will sweet potatoes has that lightening effect. Okay, so it will lighten the elbows or the knees basically. So these are our 3 face masks. So this is the anti-aging one, what we made first, then for acne and blemishes, and third is like deep cleansing for anyone, people who have like normal skin types. Okay, if you have any questions, you are most welcome to drop it in the comment section, or you can DM me if you have any if you want me to speak on any natural remedies in the future videos. And let me tell you, May is a month of Skin Revive is completing 3 years for its workshop, and that's why we are offering for in this week, if you register by Sunday, if you register for any of our workshop, you will get 15% off on the entire month workshop. Okay, so do contact me on WhatsApp or DM me. I'll be guiding you with the pricings of same. Tomorrow I'm having 2 workshops. So one is a hair mask workshop, organic hair mask, where you basically learn how to formulate a hair mask using all carrier oils, extracts and actives and hydrosols in it, and the preservation shelf life of it is 1 year. And evening tomorrow I have another workshop which is oil based serum, so in which 2 types of liquid serums will be showed and 1 type of pressed serums will be showed, and but you can make as many types later. So I'll be guiding you on which extracts or which carrier oil is good for which type of skin and all, and accordingly you can make any type possible. Yeah, you don't have to worry. The video will be uploaded in a while, so you can have a look at it later as well. So yeah, it was lovely interacting with you all, and I'll see you next Friday with the next DIY series. Okay, so till then I'm telling you this because we are in a lockdown period. Stay home, stay safe, and now vaccinations are open from tomorrow for 18 to 45. So go to Arogya Setu or Cowin website and register yourself for vaccination. So basically get yourself vaccinated and help others who are not able to book themselves slot for vaccination. You can help them. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you next week. See you. Bye.